Good afternoon. All right. Let me check your documents.
Of course, sir, here it is.
Thank you. Here you are, running.
Here we are.
Okay. Talk about yourself.
Well, officer, my name is Sachin Gupta. I have completed my high school education in the science faculty at New Vision Secondary School, Chapala, Rupandehi, and completing school from my hometown. I am now planning to pursue my bachelor degree, a major data science in the United States of America.
Okay. Why America?
United States is home to some of the world top universities that provide data science program. This university provides to high qualified faculty, advanced lab, internship and research project that will provide me hand-on learning experience and help enhance my practical skill. In the United States, many research opportunities are supported by federal and state agencies, which are also allowing students to work on real-world projects and contribute to innovative solutions in data science program. The United States is a global leader in areas like machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data, and other core areas of data science. Additionally, the United States is a host to create a great ecosystem of tech companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon, as well as many startups, which can create a great environment for both learning and career development. By studying data science in such an environment, I will not gain only theoretical knowledge but also practical skill to solve real-world problems and make meaningful contribution that data-driven decision making on a global scale. Earning a degree in United States will significantly enhance my career prospect and open the door to global opportunity.
How have you come to know about this university?
While shortlisting in the University of the United States, I have found this university on Nature.com, USA News and World Report website, which is fit for my course. I also attend several seminars organized by United States Educational Foundation (USEF) based in Kathmandu, Nepal, including one held Everest Total. There I had the opportunity to meet Mr. Ahmed, a representative from St. Cloud State University. He provided me detailed information about this university, such as course curriculum, advanced lab, high qualified faculty, internship and research project. This interaction along with my own research, I have decided St. Cloud State University is the right university for me to pursue my study and achieving a career goal to become a successful data scientist.
And why data science?
Well, officer, I choose data science to pursue my study because it combines mathematics, technology, and real-world problem solving. I have always been curious about how data-driven decision making in industries like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, banking, and technology. Data science gives me tools not only to find a pattern and identify trends, but also to extract meaningful insights from large data. The combination of programming and machine learning are really excite me. I wanted to be in a field where I can keep learning and work on a complex challenge. In my country, data science is still a new field with a growing demand, and there is a shortage of skilled professionals in this field. I see this as a great chance for me not only to build a strong career but also to help Nepal move forward on technological advancement. I believe the knowledge and experience I gained during my study will position me as a future leader in this field and to make a positive impact.
How much is your COA?
My overall COA is 26,569 officer per year.
Per year. Have you got any scholarship?
Yes, officer, I got 3,900 scholarship per year.
Okay, so who is going to pay your money?
My parents will be sponsoring my entire degree program, including living expenses and tuition fee.
Okay, what does your father do?
Well, officer, my father is a businessman involved in the supply of oil and wood to the plywood factory and brick industry. Through this business, he earns around 27,000 to 30,000 USD annually.
How about your mother?
My mother works as a seasonal farming. She earns around 5,000 USD annually, and she also manages our rental property, which provide an additional income around 8,000 USD per year. My mother total income is the around of 13,000 USD per year.
Okay, and what is the cumulative income of your family?
My overall cumulative income is 47,000 to 50,000 USD.
How you said that just 43,000 your parents?
Well, officer, my elder brother also works as a bank manager at Mahalakshmi Vikas Bank in Nepal with an annual income of 7,000 USD annually.
What do you want to become with a degree in data science from USA?
Well, officer, after completing my degree in data science from St. Cloud State University, I plan to return back in Nepal. In the short term, I intend to work Leapfrog Technology, which is a leading data science company based in Kathmandu, Nepal. And my country faces several critical challenges, including Nepal Public Service Commission data leakage, weak tech ecosystem, issues in crop production and smart farming, poor air quality monitoring, and natural disaster like landslide and flood. I want to solve this problem by using data science and machine learning. Additionally, I also want to help Nepal government to support Nepal Digital Framework project, which aim establish a strong digital ecosystem by 2033. I hope to use all the knowledge and experience I gained in the United States to support this project and help Nepal move forward technological advancement.
Do you think that this program is worth investing such a huge amount of money?
Yes, officer. In Nepal, data science is still a new field with a growing demand, and there is a shortage of skilled professionals in this field. And I see this is a great chance for me not only to build a strong career but also to develop data-driven system.
Okay, what is your GPA in high school?
Well, officer, my overall GPA is 2.67.
It's low. Why low?
I would like to clarify that I am not a weak student. During my high school education, I had a good understanding of both theoretical and practical concepts. But I was more interested in practical learning because I want to gain real-world skill. As a result, I performed better in practical exam, but did not give equal time or equal attention on theoretical preparation. In Nepal, theoretical exam carry more weight than practical ones, which affected my overall GPA.
How about your English proficiency?
I have done PTE and I have scored about 54 marks, not less than 52.
It's also low.
Well, officer, I am proficient in English and have been learning in an English medium school since my childhood. However, my PTE score was still met my university requirement, so I did not retake the test.
Alright, thank you.